So you guys want a new video today with a jackpotted target, and let's see what we got in. Let's unbox them. So first we got Stenhouse. This is gonna be difficult. Move my desk back. This is gonna be kind of hard to do with my iPad in the way. It's gonna be difficult to do this with my iPad in the way. Oh great, now my desk doesn't want to move back. It's because that's cable. Anyway, ready, Stenhouse. Oh, unbox. I'm not gonna unbox it. Got it. There we go. And that is. Where's the sticker? That is. Yeah, Ricky Stenhouse's extra Nascar. Yeah, I needed a new 47 desperately. Out there. There's a pill in my trash can for some reason, because I'm throwing it out. Anyway, next we have, oh god. Get out, I'll kill you. Get out so I can kill you. Yeah, that's Brad's next gen test car. I know for sure. I don't know if this is a next gen test car. I hope this is a next gen test car, but we're just gonna put them over here. No, this is gonna fall. Just under this. It's like tape all over my desk. I guess I got this cable. This cable is not letting my desk move back. Alright, well, let's move back enough. Alright. Next car we have is Austin Dillon. Next car. That one was kind of easy, but one of the easiest authentics I've ever. Oh, Stenhouse! The easiest authentics I've ever opened on this channel, but yeah, we got Austin Dillon's 2022 car. I don't know if that's a test car or not. You get in the trash can, you stupid piece of tape. I don't think it is. Trash for here. Where's the sticker? I knew it fell out. Okay, let's knock it up top. Oh, I don't know why I bought this one. I don't know why I bought a Kyle Larson. Don't ask questions. Gotta throw the trash out from the Dillon too. I think there's still trash on my desk from the last time I did an unboxing. Sorry if it's so dark out. It's night where I live, so it's gonna be dark over on my desk. Alright, that is Kyle Larson's 2022 next gen car. I will say, I will be using this more than my other Kyle Larson. Reason, I don't know, I just felt like it. Just throw all this away. Do I still have all that packaging for that Wave 4 from last year? Yeah, I kept all that. Okay. I missed my, I can't reach it. I missed my trash can. Guys, I'm sorry for the long delay. I missed my trash can. We unboxed 2 cars at once, so I should unbox 2 cars at once. Alright, now next one. I made some questionable choices of buying cars and stuff. Get out. I have so many 88 today for my series. Oh, that was the second easiest authentics opening ever. Literally, like, just ripped. All right, that is Dale Jr.'s Xfinity Series helmet card. We almost have every car in Wave 2. Sadly, we're missing one car in Wave 2. And you guys are going to be really mad at me, but it is Chase Elliott. I'm sorry, Tori didn't have them. Tori didn't have every car on the shelf from what I saw. Oh, yeah. Here we go. A car I actually kind of wanted going into Target. Daniel Suarez. This one has to be one of the nicest. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, yes. For the last Suarez I unboxed on this channel, editor me. Put that video up. I had to make a video explaining how the Suarez was like a box. It was like a box. It was a box made of metal. This one has to be one of the nicest ones I picked up. They should really start changing the packaging on those. Alright, we got 2 more cars, guys. Okay, which one? Okay, you know what? I'm just going to show you guys. Alright, you go over here. Let me just show you. I don't know why I have made some questionable choices today of what I bought. What was that outside that sounded like my stomach after eating Taco Bell? I'm not going to spoil this one to you. Because I already have one of these. No, I don't. I have the same driver, but this is my favorite Kevin Harvick driver. Wasn't supposed to say it. I say that honestly looks better than the camera. I honestly think that looks better than the actual. Hold on, let me go get the $100 card. I pulled this out of my new organizing unit. But yeah, which one do you guys think is much better? I honestly think both look pretty good. But yeah, you guys can just go over here, even though you're not part of the unboxing. Final card we got. Sadly, I have every card in this wave but one. I already told you guys, it's the Chase Elliott test card. Woohoo! Oh my God, my iPad. Don't ask questions. Alright, let's unbox the Cole Custard. Alright, there we go. I know I completely missed it, but there you go. Oh, got it. Guys, this is Cole Custer's next gen car. I don't even like the song when I bought it. I don't really care. I spent like $60 on these. Oh, throwing all the trash out. But yeah, comment what you guys think about the haul for today. This is pretty big. Got Kozlowski, my new Stenhouse that I desperately needed. Austin Dillon. This is definitely an elite group of drivers. You got Kyle Larson. You got Dale Jr., Daniel Suarez, Kevin Harvick. And finally, Kevin Harvick. That's not that funny. Anyway, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. This is a bonus. That's like my new shelf. Those are the Chevys on top. The Fords are on the middle shelf. And then there's boxes down here. And then all my retro / special cars are up here. So the boxes, I'm going to pull these out and show them to you guys because I've never showed anyone these. So first we got the sealed Ryan Blaney body armor. This is also part of the same video, by the way. Got this. This is that Deep Denny Christopher Bell. Forgot I still had this. This is Kevin Harvick. You can read it clearly. Oh, I'm throwing all my boxes around. These are collectible. This is Byron, I think. Yep, Byron. This is a wrong car in the right box. All these Bowman. I probably should stop throwing these around because these are my boxes. This is, I don't know who this is. Oh, Jesus. Dropping the boxes. I don't know who this is. This is, there's Joe Gibbs. Oh, yeah, it's Kyle Busch. Oh, yeah, 2017. I remember I had that. I don't know where it is, and I really don't care right now. Is that Kyle Larson? 2021, I believe. Yes, it is. I kept that box because that one's special. Because it took me for, oh, yeah. Keelan Harvick. Don't ask questions why I bought Keelan Harvick. And then you've got, I don't even know who this is. I think this is another Kyle Busch. Where's my Denny Hamlin box? Well, anyways, I gotta go put all these back. This is what I do with my boxes when I'm bored. I just throw them. What am I